Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a smartwatch on mobile. Before you begin, please ensure both your smartwatch and phone have at least 60% battery life for a smooth setup. Next, you will need to download the correct companion application for your specific smartwatch model directly from your phone's app store. Finally, remember to enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. This is crucial before you even start the pairing process. Taking these first steps ensures a seamless experience. Now, open the newly installed companion application on your phone to initiate the connection. The app will guide you with on-screen prompts. Simply follow them carefully. For the best signal, keep your smartwatch and phone within a close range, ideally no more than 10 feet apart during this crucial pairing phase. Look for your specific smartwatch model in the list of available Bluetooth devices presented within the app, then select it to proceed. This establishes the initial link. Once you select your device, you will receive a pairing request. Confirm this on both your smartwatch and your mobile phone to finalize the connection. The application will then ask for essential permissions, like access to notifications and health data. Grant these for your watch's full functionality. Afterwards, take some time to personalize your smartwatch settings through the app, adjusting watch faces, notification preferences, and other features to suit your style. This tailors your device to you. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your phone and smartwatch often resolves many common connection problems. Make sure to check that both devices have the most recent software updates installed, as this significantly improves performance and compatibility. For consistent data synchronization and real-time notifications, always ensure the companion application is running in the background on your phone. Following these tips helps maintain a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.